3 or 4 of them who couldn't come. I'm having online section too. I'm going to post it on the group. We're going to join tomorrow. What to click on to join. Then, what else? On Monday, we are going to have live trading session. I'm having a general training with all the advanced class on Monday. So we are going to have that on Monday as well. Okay, these are Abuja people. Abuja people say hello. Okay, we had a wonderful time, and in fact, wait, let them even speak. How is the whole trade?
Fantastic.
Now, did you guys actually learn the secret to all my trading?
Yes.
Now, the next phase is for them to practice and start making money. We had profit and we had losses. We don't lose. See, it is not about how much you lose, but how much you can get to make at every point in time. Losing is part of the whole trick. I don't have anything to hide. You must lose. Nothing is child's play. It's not child's play. And there's nothing I'm forming here. All these people are real people. Please, make una tell them, are you people real? Okay, we had a wonderful time, and I'm thinking probably when next to come to Abuja. But I don't really know. The stress is always too much for me. But I'll try and make it happen. But the next one is in September in Lagos. The next one is in September in Lagos. But I'm working towards one thing at the end of the year, probably November or October. I want to host all my students, all of them in a banquet. So I'm thinking I'm going to use Lagos. Okay, I'm going to create a poll in my community for all of them to decide. At least they are running up to 500 now, so I don't know where I'm going to carry all of them to.
The Abuja population is numbering that of Lagos, so I promise you the conference center, I'll pay for this.
Okay, you can hear now.
Traded and make so much.
No, you guys should have. Let me tell you something. Okay, I think I need to stop this year. We're going to continue the rest. Now.